Just basically set up, do it up on a whiteboard and set up a matrix where across the top you have, here's all the skills that would be necessary in the top management team. If I had my perfect team of superstars, we'd be really good at what? We'd have somebody who was really good at sales. We'd have somebody who was really good at managing our distribution network. We'd have somebody who was really good at raising money, etc. We'd have somebody who's really good at, knows the industry of our primary customers. Somebody who's really good at networking. All of those kinds of skills that you need. Set them up as headings across the board. And then down the left side, who have you got on your team? So there's you, there's the rest of your senior management team, and there's all the members of your advisory board, or who they're going to be. So you're going to have slots there. And then you've got to do a pretty frank assessment. And part of being good as an entrepreneur is being able to be frank and honest with yourself, looking at, okay, so there you are. What of those things that this company needs to be successful are you actually any good at? And it won't be all of them. So you go and mark off the things that you're good at, and what things are you not so good at. All right, who else is on your team? Who else are the top people in your company? What are they good at? And when you've done that, there should still be some holes. If you don't have any holes, odds are you're kidding yourself. So there should still be some holes. Some things that if the ideal team were here, we'd have somebody who's really good at this, and we haven't got somebody who's really good at that. Then those holes are what you use to try to design this advisory board. You'd like to have somebody who's good at that. So you look at all the gaps that you have. And now you're going to try and find people to fill them. So as you go and look at people who might join your advisory board, you see which gaps can they fill. And you start building up the board that way. You target people that you'd like to bring onto this board by how they can bring skills or abilities or something else to the table that you know that you need and you know that you don't currently have.